Hello everyone, it's 1st November. Let's quickly look at the headlines from the Indian Express newspaper. In the first page we have Kerala ends extreme poverty. Again a very important news to cover. Moving forward we have the world page where we have she vows to protect free trade at APEC as Trump skips key regional summit. Again very important. Then we have 3 killed as Israel attacks Gaza again amid crumbling truce. Lastly, we have King's move to shield monarchy. Andrew stripped of title, banished from palace. Then we have Pakistan, Afghanistan to maintain truce, resume talks. All these news are very important for international relations perspective. Then we have this whole page dedicated to this one news. Heartiest greetings of Haryana Day to the people of Haryana. Moving forward, we have the economy page. India's investment rate must rise to 34 to 35% for 7% growth. Then we have trailing in EV race. Japan's car makers plan a reboot. Both these news are very important for economy perspective. Moving forward, we have India-US SEAL 10-year defense pact partnership framework signal strategic convergence. Then we have as Ukraine war grinds on, Georgia new hub for Indian medical students. Both the news are very important for international relations perspective. Moving forward, we have October air second worst in 5 years. Again very important for environment perspective. Then we have cloud seeding can't be reliable strategy to tackle pollution in Delhi, says IIT study. Again very important for environment perspective. Moving forward, we have the editorial page. The editorial page is always important for examination perspective. The first editorial says the anti-climate hoax. Again very important for international relations perspective. Then we have India and superpowers. Message of US China detente is clear. Again very important for international relations perspective. Then we have bias in the classroom. Teachers' expectation can shape a child's confidence as much as grades. Again very important for education perspective. Moving forward, we have demolition at historic Dal Mandi in Varanasi triggers protest. Again very important for internal security perspective. And that is it for today. I will see you in another video. Until then, bye bye, take care.